What's up, guys? So we left the house around 6 a.m. and it's about 11:20 now, and we're making the trek down to the Freedom Factory. So it's gonna be my second time driving there, and we're going for the drift night, and it's always a good time for those. And hey, Papa, how's the trip going so far?
Not bad. We're in North Carolina. We're making good time. Looking forward to dinner.
Yeah, dinner's gonna be nice. But yeah, I got a nice nap in earlier, so I'm feeling pretty energized and nice. Got the E36 back there. I mean, we've had no problems so far. Everything's been nice, but yeah,
Don't jinx it.
I'm hoping not. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing the drift night tomorrow night on Friday, and then Saturday we're gonna be going into Orlando for some car shows and seeing some friends and meeting some new ones as well. What's up, guys? So it is our second travel day of going down to the Freedom Factory, and I'm very happy. I got some very exciting news last night that I think might follow through. I'm not too sure what's going on with it, but I'm pretty happy to hear it, and I will be revealing that later in the video. But it's some fun stuff. So I'm really pumped. We got the car. I mean, everything's gone very good as far as the trip. It's been very easy, very nice, but we stopped in Georgia for last night, and now today we woke up again a really early morning, and now we're heading down to Florida. So it's gonna be fun. Gonna be shredding with the boys, and yeah, might be driving a different car as well. So, all right, guys, I'll see you at the track. Well, guys, I messed up. So once we got to the Freedom Factory, I forgot to record an intro to us being at the track. So we got to the gates, and we were super pumped because we just drove 17 hours to get there, and it's gonna be tons of fun, tons of track time, and yeah, I was very hyped. And at the gates, due to some miscommunication, I was told that I sadly was not going to be driving the event itself. Due to my age, because of insurance reasons, I am not able to drive at the event, but we did get a compromise, and I am still super happy with that. So what we did, it was kind of like an opening show, so it was a ton of seat time and a ton of practice on the bank, because that's something that I'm not used to, and it really helped because it was fun, and like I said, it was a ton of practice, and it helped me a lot. So like I said, it was kind of a sad time, but we turned it around and tried to make the best of it. And I just can't wait till I can get my license, because then we won't be battling these issues. Because a big problem with me and my age is that I can't do many events or competitions because I need a driver's license, so, or a permit for that reason. But I got about a year and a half left, and I'm just counting down the days. I'm waiting. But yeah, still had tons of fun at the Freedom Factory, and you'll see that footage right now. right, last one. Let's make it count. I can't see. Well, guys, I might have sent her a little too hard. Man, I am feeling very, very pumped coming off of that run, or both those sessions. First session, the GoPro did not record, so I do not have footage from that. Well, I have footage, but out of car footage. I don't have any in-car footage. But, so second session, I had some really, really good laps. I was getting right up on the wall, and I decided that, well, I should put on a little show. So, long story short, I don't have much tire anymore, so, well, we got some souvenirs. On one of the runs I was doing on the bank, the tire decided to just explode. So there's a bunch of cords coming off of it, but it's fine. Those tires were good while they lasted. But yeah, so our sessions are done, but we're gonna go out and spectate the other fun having homies and spectate some people that are gonna be driving here. So I'm excited. I'm very excited. Would be way more excited if I was able to drive, but I am very, very, very happy with how I was doing in my sessions. And yeah, so we're gonna go watch some people driving, and that tire's gone now. That part of that tire is gone. So yeah, I'll film some footage of all the homies driving. But yeah, that tire exploded.
All right, the call is S13. Oh, wow. Almost crosswind to the berm.
Wow.
Oh,
Jason
man.
still-
Jason Dixon.
Well, guys, we're home. So that was a crazy, crazy trip, but I am so happy that we did it. It was tons of fun. And first off, I just want to say a massive thank you to Cletus for having us down there and putting on a great event. And a congratulations to my fellow fun haver, Jason Dixon, for placing third in the competition, because he's doing great. He was driving great, and sadly Taylor Ray knocked him out, but he was doing an amazing job. And I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to my dad for helping me get down here, driving through this crazy 17-hour drive each way. So that's a long time, but he's put up with it, and he has been nice enough to help me with driving the car down, helping with the car when it's there, making sure it's all good, and just for being an awesome father. So thank you very much. But the trip has been insane. So here we have, it says we have been on the road for a solid 36 hours and right at 40 minutes almost. We've done around 2,071 miles. So that's a long time, but it was all worth it, because that was a lot of track time, and I was very, very happy with it and how I was doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was way longer than my usual videos are, but I had tons of fun, and I needed to capture that and show it to all of you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.